Good afternoon. Hello. What's happening? Do 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 do. Floor, Razor, Junior, Carrie, Oscar. Welcome in. Good afternoon. Hello, hello. Freaky fast fun Friday. Welcome in to the Friday edition of the Swag Show. How's everybody doing this afternoon? How'd you do this morning? Did everybody stop when you were supposed to? Been a crazy wiki fast moving market today. Hey, Ray, what's happening? Good afternoon. Do 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 do. Oracle Silverman $5,000 today. It made ES new 2750, Gold made 500, NQ new made 350, Box Seat Silver made 1250, and Early made 225. What a day! Stebbin, Market Rambone, Surish, Mark Newman, Keegan, Cody, Melissa, hello. Welcome in. Good afternoon. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. Let's get this party started. Santa has been taking a lot of trades today. It was up almost $1,200 at the high point of the day. At one point, and now he's down. But this market's been moving, folks. If you want volatility and a market that's moving, you're in the right spot. This NQ has been crazy today. Up and down and up and down. Big Bang, not in the trade. Okay, just checking. On the go, Anna, Kingyo, Steve, Red Tag, Ray, Monique, Mia. What's happening? It's definitely been choppy. On Fridays, it seems like those are my days where it's the hardest for me. So I size way down and I open my spread up and have a bigger stop loss and a smaller take profit. I know it doesn't sound reasonable to do that, but if you're just looking to grab a little bit, it seems to work out better for me. Play those levels, wait for your pullbacks, and all the box seats algorithms so far today are doing well, except for NQ later. That's the only one that took a loss. Other than that, everything else has been green. Got one account red, one account green. Just don't go chasing it. Don't revenge trade it to try and get it even. Just sometimes you have to accept the loss if you're not finding what you're looking for. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right, here we go. Dennis, welcome in. GCH, welcome to the Swagoners Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Joseph DeWitt, JP90, Chris, welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. Keep tapping that screen. If you want information about the box seats algorithms, I can get them to you at $250 for the first 2 weeks, $1,000 a month after that. Email me, boldbotinfo@gmail.com. If you want the premium alerts, which are up over 15, probably 16,000 for the year so far, they're $100 for the first week to try it out, $500 a month after that. Let me know. Email us, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Happy Friday. Final four is tomorrow. All four number one seeds in the college basketball are still in, which is the first time in a long time that that's actually happened. Usually at least one of the number one teams loses before the Final Four, but Santa in a short here. We'll see if it can gain any traction and catch this short on down. Nope, no good. No bueno on the Santa trade. If you haven't followed me on the Purple app, make sure you follow me on the Purple app and follow me on the YouTube channel, the main BoldBot channel, just in case tomorrow things get a little funny with what you're watching me on right now. Make sure you go over there to the Purple app, give me a follow on the YouTube as well, and I'd appreciate it, just in case. Make sure you follow Ben, follow Jen, follow Lauren, all those people on YouTube, and I don't think they have the Purple app, but we'll be on the main BoldBot channel, so make sure you follow us over there just in case. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Phil, John, Rocio Cervantes, welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here, tuning in. You're watching BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, just email us, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. If you want the box seats algorithms, email me, BoldBotInfo@gmail.com. I can get you the $250 for the first 2 weeks, and then $1,000 a month after that. And just so you know, the box seats algorithms today would have made you $225 plus $27.50 plus $500 plus $350 plus $12.50 minus $540. So whatever that math equals up, it's probably over $2,000. Santa in a long here, green 365, 370, 380, 425. We'll see if it pulls back to where my manual alert entry is at. Close. No cigar so far. Good trade there on Santa. Big ATR today. Fat Thor. What's happening? How you doing today? Happy Freaky Fast Fun Friday. It is the Swag Show. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. Help me help you help others. I don't want anything. Oh my goodness. Mascon. Mascon. My school. Thank you very much for those goat gifts, man. I appreciate you so much. I just now saw them pop up. Thank you very much for those, man. You don't have to do all that, but I appreciate it. Jesus, Joseph, Ma, Mark, Manuel, Michael Probst, Cold, Pizza, Malik, Phil May, John Wood, Johnny, Bell, welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? Let's have some fun with the swag show today. Anybody got any fun plans this weekend? What are you doing? I didn't just take a loss. The algorithm took a loss. I'm not trading at all right now. This is just showing you what the algorithm's doing. I'm done for the day. How many trades a day? This thing could take 20 to 30 sometimes. What's up, Canned? How you doing? My man Canned Spam in the house. There's nothing in a trade right now to even show you. So we're just waiting to see if anything gets into a trade. Is your algo making profit each week, month? Yes. So there's basically 8 different algorithms, about 50 different strategies, and the ones that we give out to people in the group and tell them which ones to run each day are highly profitable. We have 2 or 3 of them that have made over $12,000 this year. Some of them run at like a 92% win rate. But yeah, we had one so far today. It's called ES New. That's made $16,000 on the year. Today it made $2,750. We got another one, Silver Box Seats, that's up $9,000 on the year. It made $1,250. Oracle Silver's up $17,000 on the year. Big Bang's up $16,000 on the year. There's a lot of them, man. So we have a lot of different products to choose from. But yeah, if we give them to you and say, okay, you should run these, they're going to be profitable. Otherwise, if they're not performing like they should be, we put them in timeout and tell you not to run them. So I take about 2 to 3 manual trades a day, and then I let the algorithms run for me. I just try and make like between 200 and 600 a day on my accounts. Giovanni, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you so much. How much profit make the algo in percents in a normal month? I don't know in percentage, man. I'm just telling you, some of these strategies are making $3,000 to $4,000 a month on average with one mini contract. So I guess you could take it for you, you know. Like I said, some of these strategies that we have are up over 15,000 on the year so far, and it's April, so what's that? Like 60,000 a year from one of the strategies on one mini contract. That's pretty good. Am I green today? Yeah. As green as I'm gonna be. I had NQ early. I had NQ new. Those two running, and that's 575. So we're done. Done on the day. In between 200 and 600 is what I usually shoot for. Or if I take 2 losses manually, I'll stop. I usually take 2 to 3 manual trades, and then I run 2 or 3 of the algorithms, and I try and make in between that amount. Ali, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Do you run anything on a cash account? Yeah. When I have my cash account, yes, I do. I run a lot of them on micros. I run a lot of them on micros on the cash account when I have that running. Craig White, welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? Thank you for being here. Appreciate you. Nothing in a trade right now to show you. We'll wait and see if Big Bang and NQ Daywaves get into a trade here. What am I thinking for the next trade? Waiting for a pullback to get into a short, honestly. Moving my alert right now as we speak. All right. Yep, so I'm waiting on a pullback, and then I'd probably go short. That's the only thing I'm even considering right now, but we're so far down here, it's kind of scary. We're already at, like, support 3. But who knows? They could just keep dropping this thing. As far down as they want to go, I guess. All right, NQ Daywaves is in a trade. Let's show you that. $300 on this NQ Daywaves short. There's locked in profit right there, guaranteed profit, even if it's a little bit. This is one of those algorithms, though, where you might want to manually move your stop loss and lock in profit as it comes, because it can have a big drawdown. As you could see, it's at 680, and that's like a 15-point spread. But, you know, take your money as it comes. Do whatever you feel comfortable with. You don't have to, you know, necessarily move it. The algorithm will stop it out when it's supposed to. So let's just watch this together and see how far down it goes. It got short at 17,698, maybe 97, somewhere around there. Let's see, where to get 16, yeah, 17,697 is where it got short from. Oh. Move the stop loss a little bit just so you can see that. But there's 500 bucks right there, 520. So if you think it's not worth it to charge 1500 a month for something that can make you 500 a day, you're kind of out of your mind, because you're making a lot of money. And this is on one mini contract on the NQ. Dropping now, going down, down, down. This is NQ Day Waves. It's one of the premium strategy algorithms that is $1,500 a month. Green, 700 bucks right here. If you want access to that, just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. If you want access to the box seats algorithms, email me, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. There's $1,000 now. $1,000, $1,100 on this short. So, Don, I was trying to tell you in a discreet way that I was thinking short. I hope you got into it and made some money, buddy. All right, we're going to move this alert down here. See if we can get a pullback, but made 700. There you go, man. Congratulations. Give it up for Don, making $700 on this short right here. That's a heck of a day. 700 a day is 14,000 a month. Just keep that in mind. Now, 700 a day is 14,000 a month per account. Do that math. If you had 10 accounts, that'd be 140,000 a month. You're a millionaire if you can make 700 a day times 10 accounts at the end of the year. Just think about it. Look at the big picture. Don't get greedy. Put your work in. Be done. Dominique, what's happening? Good afternoon. Is YouTube way delayed today like it was yesterday? I'm just wondering. Never heard back. This thing is still dropping. $1,300 now on this NQ Day Waves short. If you want more information, guys, about this algorithm, email me, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com, or if you want the box seats algorithms, BoldBotInfo@gmail.com. Thank you very much for checking. Luch, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Evil, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follows. I appreciate you people so much. If you haven't followed me over on the Purple app, make sure you follow me on the Purple app and follow the main BoldBot YouTube page, just in case some crazy stuff happens on here tomorrow, okay?